Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Can you see the lecture on the screen, students? Hello.
Yes.
Ishmael, Karma, Amna. Can you see the
Yes.
lecture?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Today our topic is rational indices. When we have power in fraction form means when we have power like 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4. When we have power is in rational form or like fraction form means 5 raised to the power 1 upon 2, 5 raised to the power 3 upon 4. So, for example, what is 5 1 upon 2 equal to? Students, all students, are you getting my point? Ishmael,
Yes.
please come on the screen. Screen पर आ जाएं सब जल्दी से. Show your faces on the screen. Hurry up, it's necessary. P is equal to 5 1 upon 2 we suppose, okay, and then we squaring both sides. Okay, for power solving we will apply square on both sides. हम यहाँ पर पावर स्क्वायर बोथ साइड से करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सपोज b is equal to 5 1 upon 2 and then we apply power 2 on both sides, or we can say that power 2 in mathematics we call squaring both sides. We apply square both sides and here p2 is equal to 5 1 upon 2 whole power we have 2 and 2 cancel 2. यहाँ पर 2 से 2 क्या हो गया है class? Cancel like this, and here we have power p, power we have 1. Again for we want to get the power of solution of p. यहाँ पे power of 2 खत्म कर हो जाए और इसके ऊपर आंसर आ जाएगा here. इसके ऊपर जब स्क्वायरिंग करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? स्क्वायर से रूट काट और आंसर. Is there any problem?
No, teacher.
Very easy question, class. It's not a big deal. Okay. Now come towards the next topic. Very important and very easy. Amna and Karma, are you hearing me?
Yes.
Okay. Here we have question number 1. Question number 1. Okay, class. Simplify the following. Expressing your answer in index form. It's mean students, root power is equal to root value we have 1 upon 2. Whenever we talk about root, it's important note that please remember this thing. Root always equal to whole bracket 1 upon 2. Okay, ये देखिए ये हमेशा इस चीज के बराबर होता है. Always remember this. But if any other power is on the square root, अगर root के ऊपर कोई और power है, if any other power is on the square root, so the value of root is equal to that power, 1 upon that power. Like here we have a square root raised to the power 4. So square root raised to the power 4 become 1 upon 4. Is there any confusion? Class समझ आया यहाँ तक?
Yes, teacher.
Here we have c. So square root 5 of c is equal to 1 upon
1
Well,
5.
wait a minute. Okay. And then comma. Okay. Then here 1 upon e raised to the power 4 equal to whole power 1 upon 8. And then 4 ones are
4. 4 2 is 8.
very good. So answer we got 1 upon e
2.
raised to the power 1 upon 2, because 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 2 is in denominator, ये इस तरह लिखा जाएगा. Part D we will have 1 upon, here you can see part D. Part D we have whole power, we have 3. First of all, whole power we will have 5. First of all, and root power we have
And 1 upon 3.
F. Very good, Ishmael. F 1 upon 3, and whole power we have
1 upon 5.
no, whole power we have 5 only. It's not a 1 upon 5. Root के ऊपर नहीं है. Whole power 5 is not on the okay. Now our final answer we got 5 ones are 5 upon 3. Is there any confusion, class?
No.
Done? Okay, I
Yes.
am giving you another question. अब मैं आपको दूसरा क्वेश्चन दे रही हूँ. Now tell me, okay? अब आप मुझे खुद बताइएगा कि इसमें क्या होगा. Next question, part E we have. I am giving you another question like under root power 6, and answer we have, question we have A upon B. Yes, class. What should be the answer of this? Any idea? Yes, class.
1 upon 6.
Whole, yes, very easy method. First, you will write A upon B inside the bracket, and whatever be the root, right?
1 upon 6.
Very good. 1 upon 6.
6.
Open the bracket and apply power on each term inside the bracket. A 1 upon 6,
6.
and then B
B.
1 upon 6. Is there any idea? Is there any confusion, class?
No, teacher.
Okay, let's solve another question. अब हम दूसरा सवाल solve करते हैं. Like part F. Part F I am giving you like power.
देखो क्या कर रही है कितना
Friends, please don't discussion. We are on the recording part. Square root raised to the power 4, and question we have A power 1 upon no A power 8 upon C power 16.
Miss 1 upon 4. Oh, sorry.
Wait a minute. First of all, whole bracket A power upon C 16. And whole power, what should be the whole power? Whole power क्या होगी?
1 upon 4.
Upon
4.
very good. And open the bracket, apply power on each term. It become A 8 dot 1 upon 4. Yes. Upon
4.
C
16.
dot mean 1 multiply 1 upon
4.
very good.
4.
Now 4 ones are 4
4.
and
4 to the
8.
4 to the 8.
4 ones are
4.
and 4 fours are
16.
very good.
1 upon 2. Upon
We have A
1
raised
upon 2.
ऊपर बचा ना 2 ones are 2 and
4.
very good. Answer we have. Okay, ये हमारा आंसर आ गया. Is there any confusion?
No.
शाबाश. Now come to the next topic. अब हम next topic की तरफ move करते हैं. Very easy question we have. We solve. Next question is quite different. Next question हमारा different है. And class. Okay. Question number 16.
अम्मी गिरेगी.
Just a second. We are on this recording. Can you see the lecture on the screen? Screen पे lecture नजर आ रहा है?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now next question we have, and it's a different. Solve each of the following equation when we have 11a is equal to 1331. Class, here power we have unknown and we will have to find out the power. हमें power की value मालूम नहीं है. We will have to find out the value of power. Here we have 11a is equal to 1331. हम लोग first of all जब work होगा, let's suppose we will take LCM of 1331. 1331 will be solved again with the help of 11. 11 ones are 11. Here we have 20. 11 twos are 22. And 11 ones are 11. I am taking LCM and there is no new thing in this. Acha, 12 is not the multiple of 11. And again 11 ones are 11.
11 again.
Okay, and then 11 ones are 11. Means 11, we will write in this way. We will write 11a is equal to 1331 is equal to 11 raised to the power 3. Means when we multiplied 11 by 11 3 times, then answer will be equal to, मतलब 11 को 11 से 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई कराओगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा 1331. लाइक 11 11 जा 121, 121 11 जा 1331. Here you can see that we have base same to compare the powers. When we have base same, then we will compare the powers like this. Comparing powers. Okay. Power. Comparing powers like this. When we have base same, so we will compare the powers like a is equal to 3. We ignore the base. ये देखिए compare हो गए और ये answer आ गया हमारा. Is there any confusion class?
No,
Yes, Ishmael.
या फिर आया.
Yes, 11 power 3 is equal to LCM.
Okay, teacher.
LCM and LCM of 1331 is equal to 11. 11 multiply by 11 and multiply by 11. Is there any confusion, class?
No, teacher. No.
Okay. And then we have question. Okay, come towards the next question. Very easy and very interesting topic. Question number 2, we have 2b. Okay, 2 power b we have 1 upon 28. 1 upon 128. Taking LCM 128. LCM लेंगे 128 का. First of all, start with the 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are 8. 2 3 are 6.
6.
2 2 are
4.
and next 1 are 2. 2 6 are 2 8 are 16 and 2 4 are
8.
and 2 2 are 4
4.
and 2 1 are 2.
2.
Okay, class. यहाँ तक ठीक है? Are you getting my point? Okay. Here we have 2 raised power b is equal to, okay class, tell me how many 2 is in LCM of 120. LCM में कितने 122 involve है? Power बताइए जल्दी से. Count the 2.
7.
7.
Okay, 2 power
7.
Here we cannot compare 2 with power 2 1 upon 2. अभी हम इसको compare नहीं कर सकते. Why? because here 2 power b is in numerator, here 2 power 7 is in denominator. First of all we make it in front of each other. ये अपॉन में है, ये विदाउट अपॉन है, तो हम इसको अपॉन से हटाएंगे, रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, लाइक दिस 2 power b. Okay, class, remember one thing. When power is in denominator, इसका साइन जब हम when में शिफ्ट एंड अदर ऊपर की तरफ से हम शिफ्ट करेंगे तो इसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, पावर का साइन, लाइक प्लस पावर चेंज इनटू प्लस पावर चेंज इनटू माइनस पावर. ओके, लाइक दिस. इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन class?
No.
अच्छा, okay. What I did? Here I change the power sign because ये क्या हो जाएगा, इसको रेसिप्रोकल कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? रेसिप्रोकल. रेसिप्रोकल में क्या होता है, प्लस साइन चेंज इनटू माइनस साइन ऑफ पावर, पावर का साइन. नाउ कंपेयर द पावर, पावर कंपेयर होंगे, आंसर क्या होगा b का. b इज इक्वल टू, नाउ वी गॉट द बेस सेम. b इज इक्वल टू
2 minus 7 यानी पावर ऑफ 7
-7.
-7.
ये आंसर आ गया हमारा. अब बताइए कोई कंफ्यूजन?
-4 minus b minus 7.
ओके क्लास, एनी क्वेश्चन? आगे बढ़े. यस क्लास, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें. क्लास, एनी कंफ्यूजन और मूव टू. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. 9c is equal to 243. Any idea how to solve? Question number C, 6 part C. कैसे solve होगा?
मिस एलसीएम होंगे ना?
LCM लेंगे. First we take LCM. कौन से नंबर से? 9 is in front of us. देखिए 9 सामने है ना, so 9 power raised to the power c. So we will start from the 9 like this. Okay, 9 and the 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18. Okay, 24 minus 18, 24 में से 18 माइनस होंगे, कितना आंसर? प्लीज सब्ट्रैक्ट 18 from 24. 6 होगा. 9 7 का 3, 27, and then
लिंक 943 आ गई है.
3 1 जा 3. So here we have problem. यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक प्रॉब्लम आ गई है. We will take LCM of 943 with 3. हमारे पास 243 का LCM हम 9 से नहीं लेते. We will start take LCM of 243 with 3. 3 से लेते हैं. 3 8 जा 24, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा power 2, here power 2, 3 7 जा 21, 3 9 जा 27, 3 जा 9, and 3 1 जा
3.
yes. Students, what we do in part C, अब 9c will be also the power of 3. ये देखिए 9c को भी हमने power 2 and whole power we have c is equal to how many time 3 involve in power LCM? 1 2 3 4 5.
5.
यहाँ पर here class listen to me very carefully. 9 is also break in 3 power 2, right? And 243 is also break in 3 power 5. Is there any confusion?
No.
It's the contract in 3 power 2 and it's contract with 3 power 5. Now comparing the power, base same we have. Base same we have. So we will compare the powers. Compare powers. Compare powers. Okay. So what should be the answer? 2 see, I am comparing the power here is equal to 5, right class? Now we will have to find out the value of C. हमें C मालूम करना है. 5 2 इधर डिवाइड हो रहा है, उधर आके क्या हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, उधर आके क्या हो जाएगा? Divide. This is the answer. कंफ्यूजन है इसमें? कंफ्यूजन है क्लास? समझाऊं दोबारा?
No teacher.
Other students, Amna and Zuleika, Hamza, Sameer, Abdul Basit, Abdul Qadir, Ikarma. Yes class, please बताइए आपको कोई confusion साकेब, बेटा समझ आ रहा है आपको? बाकी students आपको समझ आया? Other students, are you getting my point? Okay, no problem. साकेब, Ikarma, Abdul Qadir, Arsalan. बेटा समझ आ रहा है? Okay.
मिस बी वाला समझा दें।
Part D, listen. Okay, part D. Part D में हम किस तरह करेंगे? tan power D is equal to 0.01 को convert करेंगे. We will convert it into fraction form like this. Wait a minute. Okay, class. 0.01 ये क्या हो जाएगा? Point remove, 1 is in the denominator. After point we will have 2 digits. So here we will write 100. Is there any confusion?
No.
Equal to 1 upon 100. 0.01 is equal to 1 upon 100. Okay, students? Yes. Now, tan power D is equal to 1 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 100 is equal to 10 times
100.
Excellent. So 100 we will write, make a power of 10 2. Is there any confusion? Now we cannot compare the power. हम लोग अभी भी इसको कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ये डिनोमिनेटर में है. Here 10 is in denominator और left hand side it is in numerator. अब बताइए ये हम शिफ्ट करेंगे. We shift the 10 power 2 on numerator, then it become, yes class, अब क्या होगा? Plus 2 change into, take the reciprocal, plus power change into minus power.
Yes, teacher.
Here I shifted the value on numerator side. It means ये देखिए इसका मतलब ये है कि हम यहाँ पे प्लस साइन चेंज इनटू माइनस साइन and then now compare the power. D is equal to
10 minus 2, yani power of minus 2. Minus 2.
power of 10 becomes minus 2. Yes class, tell me, is there any confusion? Abdul Qadir,
No.
Sharma, Sameer, please tell me if you have confusion.
नो मिस।
Zulaika, Hamza.
नो मिस।
Okay, let's move towards the next question. अब मैं-
मिस पार्ट डी समझा दें।
Where, which part, Zulaika?
मिस बी पार्ट।
B part. Okay. Again, I am repeating. 2 power B. We have, student help me. 1 upon 128. 128 is the power of 2. Take LCM of 2. Like 128 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. And then 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, and 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Abdul Qadir, are you getting my student? Abdul Qadir. 1s are 2. Sameer, okay. Okay. Count the 2. How many 2s are involved in 128 LCM? Please count the 2 and tell me the power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
इब्तदाई शक्ल वाले अल्फाज कौन से हैं और दरमियानी शक्ल वाले अल्फाज हैं ना कौन से हैं अब
Hello class. 2 power b. Now take the reciprocal of the power because we cannot compare the power. Now हम यहाँ पे compare नहीं कर सकते. Why? Because here on left hand side 2 is in numerator, while on right hand side 2 is in denominator. For comparison, it must place should be in front of each other. ये एक साथ आमने सामने हो तो without means right hand side पे अगर वो denominator में है तो it should be in denominator, और अगर numerator पे है तो it should be in numerator. First we take the reciprocal. When we took reciprocal, plus sign of power change into minus sign. It is reciprocal. Class ये reciprocal कहलाता है. Okay. Wait a minute. Next. Okay. Plus power change into minus power, because now we are taking the reciprocal. Now compare the powers. Answer we will have b is equal to -7. Is there any confusion? Done? Okay. Then now next move towards the next question. अब हम next question की तरफ, new topic. Very interested and very easy. New topic we have a standard form. What? Standard form means I am giving you the real example of this. Students, it is difficult to read numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, or 0 0.000000000 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. To make it easy to read very large number and very small number, we write them in standard form. Students, listen to me. When we have a very big value, you can see large value. ये large value है, okay? When without point है, very large value है, or it's a 0.000. It's a very, is it small or large value? 0.00000, small or large? Can you tell me?
टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
I am saying 0.00000234567 is it small or large?
Large.
No. पता है ये क्यों large नहीं है? Because it is start from 0.000. ये वाली large है, ऊपर वाली. Okay? Power भी बहुत इसमें लिखी हुई है, but when we have a 0.00000, it's a small value. And when we have 1, 2, 3 without 0 start हो रहा है तो वो क्या है? Large value. Okay class. Next to make it easy to read very large and small numbers, we write them in standard form. हम इनको standard form में देखेंगे. Hello, well, can you hear me? Hello. Okay. Any number that we can write a decimal between 1 and this multiply by 10. Class, we will write, we will use to write very large value or very small value in a specific manner. ये देखिए अब हम इसको raise to the power 10 के through solve करते हैं, okay? Just like 1.98 10 raised to the power 13, comma 0.76 10 raised to the power 13 are the example of number in standard form. क्लास वेरी लार्ज वैल्यू को स्पेसिफिक मैनर्स में लिखने का तरीका, वेरी स्मॉल वैल्यू को स्पेसिफिक मैनर में लिखने का तरीका क्या होता है? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होती है. क्या होती है? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. just like example how to write numbers in standard form: 81 9 00 000 000 It's a very large value. So the method we have, write the first number 8. Here we have write the first number 8 and then add a decimal point after 8. After 8 कितने numbers हैं? How many digits after 8? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 12, 13. Students, are you getting my point?
Yes.
After first digit we have 13 digit more. Okay, एक पहले digit के बाद 13 digits और हैं. So in standard form हम इसके बजाय instead of this we will write 8.19. After first digit we will put comma, we will put full stop, यहाँ पे point लगाएंगे. Point के बाद we will write 8.19 and multiply 10 raised to the power 13. और अब हम इसको आगे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट जस्ट लाइक अब मैं आपको दूसरा क्वेश्चन देती हूँ. लाइक 7, 5, 3, 4 and then 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, class? Now tell me. First we are write the first number like 7. Add our decimal, this or point. Decimal point means like point, and then count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After point we will write 2 numbers or 3 numbers, and then other numbers we will write in the form of decimal. How many numbers are involved in after 7? 7 के बाद कितने numbers involved है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it becomes 10 raised to the power 7. Is there any confusion? Okay. I am giving you another number also. It's a 12, 0, 0, 0, and 0. A lot of zeros. Now class, tell me 1.2 multiply 10 raised to the power. After 1 count the digits. After 1 count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Power become
8.
This is the answer. Done? ये समझ आ गया?
Yes.
Okay. This is the power, positive powers. Okay, these are the example of positive power. But class, is it a large value or small value? Can you tell me it's a large value or small value? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि ये large value क्या है या small value है? बेटा, it's a large value. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? How can we know that? Because when 10 raise positive powers, 10 has positive powers, then we know that it's a large value. When 10 got minus power, it means it's a negative value. Okay, अगर 10 के ऊपर positive होगी तो ये positive होगा, अगर negative power है तो वो negative. Now come towards the negative powers. Here we have 0.0000012. Write the first non-zero digit. Class, tell me non-zero digit. In above value, tell me the non-zero digit. Non-zero digit क्या है इसमें? 1 and 2. Here we will write, add a decimal point after 1. Okay. हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? ये point move करवाएंगे यहाँ से. Point we will move from here and write in between this. यहाँ पर लिख देंगे. Let me clear the digits and then now listen to me very carefully. Point यहाँ से move होकर point we will move and write between this like this. Okay. Non-zero digit 16 we will write that point. Add a decimal point after 1. Notice decimal point shift 6 places. How many numbers are involved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between one point to another point, how many digits are involved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very important. Please listen to me carefully. So in standard form, we will write 0.006. इसके बजाय हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1.2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 6. I am giving you another example like 0.00078. Class, point we will write between non-zero digits like this. It becomes 7.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power. Okay class, how many numbers are involved between 0 one point to another point? एक से दूसरे point की तरफ कितने digits हैं? 1 2 no 3 and 4. So we will write 4 with minus sign. Then we will write, when we will move point forward to backward, जब हम point आगे से पीछे move करवाएंगे, then we will write power with minus sign. Is there any confusion?
No.
Okay, next question we have 0.00009. Now class tell me.
9.5
Yes. 9
multiply by
multiply by 10 raised to
10
the power.
power of minus 5.
Point we will move from here to here. And how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Okay, class. This is the example.
Minus 5.
Class, is there any confusion? Okay, let's move towards the next topic. अब हम next topic की तरफ move करेंगे. Real life examples. Class, here we have real life examples of standard form that where we use standard form in our real life. हम कहाँ अपनी life में standard form use कर सकते हैं. And real life examples of standard form are like the distance between the sun and Mars is Mars. Do you know what is Mars? What is the name? What is Mars? Mars क्या है? You heard about Mars? Yes, class. Can you tell me what is Mars? Mars is the name of planet. Planet है ये.
Planet.
Okay, planet.
Planet.
The distance between the sun and